Hello kids, and today I'm at my class table, my favorite kitchen. We are going to be just doing a game, and it is fun, the one-person game. And there's a controller Okay guys, that's as big as you need it. And now we need to go to my other spot. Okay guys, if you guys leave your slime sitting out all night and in tinfoil, it will actually turn out really nice as long as you wrap it up inside of some tinfoil. It will come out really nice, and that's what I like about it, because I have some tinfoil, and I'm here on my floor right now with my piece of tinfoil, and I'm gonna actually see if I can do this. Alright, so I'm gonna put slime in here. I'm gonna put it in the freezer for about an hour or two, and then see what happens to my slime. I hope nothing bad happens, like it gets froze like an ice cube. I hate when that happens, because then I have to wait a whole entire time just for it to unfreeze. So that will take forever, and I hate waiting. That's one thing I hate. I hate being car sick. I hate being bus sick. I hate riding the bus, and I hate is one thing that I also hate. So you guys might just like this, and I like to push that like that, put my tinfoil like that, fold it, and fold it again like that, and then take the piece that you've been folded and take it and press, open it, do that, and alright, and now my slime will go inside of here. Let me get my slime. Get it from in here. Alright, so we have a white, and I have it open so you guys could be able to see it. I have it sealed so it will not be able to drip. And there's our white slime. It looks really gooey and gushy. I love something about it. It's really gooey and gushy. If it's always gushy, keep it like that. That's what makes your slime fun. You get to play with it, turn it into balls, close your slime. Only pat the edge. If you do the middle part and squeeze it, the slime is going to come out. So that's why I seal my sides up. So I take it extrally, gently push it. No, hardly push it down so it will not come back out. And then I'm taking this, pushing this all of my slime back in here. All of my slime back in here. So then my slime. I did not put on your floor.
I just watched it.
Okay. And you will also need to take this. It might come out a lot. So you would need to take something like a super cool jacket. My sister is rude and she doesn't know nothing. She's still only 1. So
I'm 7, she's lying on my tablet.
She's 1 years old. Then we have this. Ooh, load. And then I have to go grab something. We're not making this everywhere.
Get out!
This will make it unable to squeeze on our carpet. So I'm just going to squeeze that and wipe our top of it. Okay, sorry. Oh, I only sealed up one side. That's exactly why. I only sealed one side. I thought I sealed this side. So now my sisters are trying to go to sleep, so I gotta be a bit quiet. See? Play with it in the tin foil because it's really gushy like this. I like gushy slime because it's really gushy. I'm going to put it in a wrapper. Squash, squeeze, squash, adorable. And you're going to take it.